This is Super McCarby Pants, and today I wanted to go over my top 8 bosses in Zelda 2: The Adventure of Link. There he is talking to some lady. Now we have 2D side-scrolling. After so many attempts of Zelda, they went with a brand new formula. Crazy! There's a bridge. Alright, let's get to it. Number 8 is Horsehead. It's a horse who has a head. That's crazy. This is how you beat him. Boop, 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 boop. This guy sucks. Number 7 is Goomba. That's like a Goomba but Goomba. Looks like Mario but he's Goomba. Oh, he has a shiny spiked ball on a chain. Hope we never see that in any more Zelda games. What a stupid item. Do do do. Okay, number 6, I went with Thunderbird or Zapdos. There he goes. Whee! This is a really long fight, so I sped it up if you didn't notice. Really, it's just all this nonsense, so just give it a second and we'll move on. Move on to the next one. Hold on. Hey, do we have any chocolate milk? Yeah, give me some tea then. Okay. Yeah, a lot of ice, please. Thunderbird! 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 Ah, there we go. Woo! We did it! Number 5 is Helmet Head. These names only get better. I guarantee it. You run in here, you put on some stuff, there he is. This guy, his head falls off, and then his second head and his third head, while his second heads throw fireballs at you, and that's Thunderhead. It would have been neater if it was longer, but it wasn't. So let's go on to number 4 is Barba, who is like a dragon worm. He was like Jafar in Aladdin game. If you guys played the. Now he pops up and he shoots fireballs at you. For being a snake, he has very limited mobility. He has like 8 body segments, and this just here alone is 8 body segments, but he has no movement. He just jump around. It's kind of neat fight. Platforms, get the key. Number 3 is Karak. He's like a phantom. You use your mirror shield that you get in this game to reflect stuff back at him. It's kind of neat, but it's cheap, and he just teleports. It is okay. Number 2 is Rebanak. He's like a knight. He has a horse. He charges you. It's like oldie times. You back him into the corner. He shoots daggers at you. These bosses kind of suck. I know. They get better. Like in Link to the Past, all those bosses are pretty cool. But these, except for the moth one, I don't really care for him. You shoot fireballs, but you know, kill him. And number 1, surprise, surprise, is Link's Shadow. I guarantee not all the bosses are number 1, but it's Link's Shadow. They copied it from Metroid Fusion or Prime 2 or something. People can't come up with original ideas nowadays. But you fight him, he fights you back. It's basically you fighting yourself. It's like you're arguing over the last piece of pizza with your shadow or something. Then you beat him. So old man teleports, gives you a triangle. He says, well, here you go. Have a seizure, everybody. It's twice in 2 videos. Alright, well, that was the video, guys. Bye.